everyone, welcome back to Jan Pedagogy. இன்னைக்கு நம்ம பார்க்க போற வீடியோ என்னன்னா கிளாஸ் 7 ஹீட் லெசன் 4 புக் பேக் ஆன்சர்ஸ் தான் பார்க்க போறோம். ஓகே, நம்ம இப்போ வீடியோக்குள்ள போலாம். First question. State similarities and differences between the laboratory thermometer and the clinical thermometer. Answer. Similarities. Both the thermometers consist of long, narrow, uniform glass tubes. Both have a bulb at one end. Both contain mercury in bulb. Both use Celsius scale on the glass tube. Differences. A clinical thermometer reads temperature 35 degrees Celsius to 45 degrees Celsius. A range of laboratory thermometer is minus 10 degrees Celsius to 10 degrees Celsius. Clinical thermometer has a kink near the bulb. There is no kink in the laboratory thermometer. Second question. Give two examples of each of conductors and insulators of heat. Answer. Conductors, aluminium, iron. Insulators, plastic, wood. Question number 3. Fill in the blanks. A. The hotness of an object is determined by its dash. Answer. Temperature. B. Temperature of boiling water cannot be measured by a dash thermometer. Answer. Clinical thermometer. C. Temperature is measured in degree dash Celsius. D. No medium is required for transfer of heat by the process of dash radiation. E. A cold steel spoon is dipped in a cup of hot milk. It transfers heat to its other end by the process of dash conduction. F. Clothes of dash colors absorb heat better than clothes of light colors. Answer. Dark. Fourth one. Match the following. Column 1, column 2. 1. Land breeze blows during A. Summer. Sea breeze blows during B. Winter. 3. Dark colored clothes are preferred during C. Day. 4. Light colored clothes are preferred during D. Night. Answer. Column 1, column 2. 1. The land breeze blows during night. 2. The sea breeze blows during day. 3. Dark colored clothes are preferred during winter. Light colored clothes are preferred during summer. Question number 5. Discuss why wearing more layers of clothing during winter keeps us warmer than wearing just one thick piece of clothing. Answer. One layer of clothing keeps us warm in winters as they have a lot of space between them. This space gets filled up with air. Air is a bad conductor. It does not allow the body heat to escape out. C. Look at the figure 4.6. Mark where the heat is being transferred by conduction, by convection and by radiation. Answer. By the pan, conduction, by the frame, radiation and by convection. 7. In places of hot climate, it is advised that the outer walls of houses be painted white. Explain. In places of hot climate, it is advised that the outer wall of house be painted white because white color reflects heat and the houses do not heat up too much. Question number 8. 1 liter of water at 30 degrees Celsius is mixed with 1 liter of water at 50 degrees Celsius. The temperature of the water will be options A. 80 degrees Celsius, B. More than 50 degrees Celsius but less than 80 degrees Celsius, C. 20 degrees Celsius, D. Between 30 degrees Celsius and 50 degrees Celsius. Answer. D. Between 30 degrees Celsius and 50 degrees Celsius. 9. An iron ball at 40 degrees Celsius is dropped in a mug containing water at 40 degrees Celsius. The heat will options A. Flow from iron ball to water, B. Not flow from iron ball to water or from water to iron ball, C. Flow from water to iron ball, D. Increase the temperature of both. Answer. B. Not flow from iron ball to water or from water to iron ball. 10. A wooden spoon is dipped in a cup of ice cream, its other end. Options: becomes cold by the process of conduction. B. Becomes cold by the process of convection. C. Becomes cold by the process of radiation. D. Does not become cold. Answer: D. Does not become cold. 11. Stainless steel pans are usually provided with copper bottoms. The reason for this could be that options: A. Copper bottom makes a pan more durable. B. Such pans appear colorful. C. Copper is a better conductor of heat than the stainless steel. D. Copper is easier to clean than the stainless steel. Answer: C. Copper is better conductor of heat than the stainless steel. Okay children, I hope this section is useful to you. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, bye bye from Priyadarshini.